Step 3. Create and run Flutter app. In this step, we are going to create and run first Flutter application. So first, please open terminal and go to your favorite directory to create Flutter project. And type Flutter create your app name. So this is a command to create a new Flutter project. In this course, I use this project name. So paste here and type enter. Okay, so in order to run your application, type cd flutter your application name. So paste this command and type flutter run next. One thing to note is that before you type flutter run command, please confirm that you already start Android emulator. Okay, so type flutter run. This will take time, so please wait a minute. Okay, so Flutter build finished. So let's check Android emulator. So this is a fast Flutter application. This is just a simple counter app. Okay, so let's go next. And please open this Flutter project in Visual Studio Code. And what we are going to do next is try Flutter hot reload. So first, please go to lib main.dart. So lib main.dart here. And next, find the below code. So I copy this code and search in Visual Studio Code. So this. Okay, so let's change this text. Oops. Any word is okay. So let's check Android emulator. The changes in code editor doesn't reflect to emulator. To reflect the changes, please open terminal. And here, press R. So check emulator. Okay, the changes is correctly reflected. But this is troublesome. Every time you change your code, you need to press R to check your changes. So let's fix this. So first, please close terminal and go to Visual Studio Code and run start debugging. So this also takes time, so please wait a minute. Okay, so build success. And let's change this text to, for example, hello world. And save these changes and check emulator. So now the changes automatically reflected when you save the code. Let's try again. For example, hello everyone. Save. Yes, now hello everyone. So I recommend you to run Flutter application not from terminal, but from Visual Studio Code editor.